Dylan!
Hi guys.
Hey, you're just to behave.
Merry Christmas.
Ah,
Behave.
okay, go sit down.
Behave, Jeric.
Okay, I'm taking away all your toys. You hit me. Then why are you hitting me?
Welcome to the vlog. Oh my God. You have hole in your brief. Welcome to the ka-vlog. Nice back. Hi pa. What
Hi,
are you?
Pa!
You say hi pa, Butch. Hi Butch.
Hi, Boots!
Hi.
Hi Daddy.
Hi, Daddy!
Say hi, Butwag.
No! He's Boots!
No, Butwag.
No!
Good. Yomi.
You're mean, Jerry. Ano pa na sit-sit?
Ayun na yung gapos ko.
Anong tawag na dyan? Anong ni Carmelo?
Hey, Kim.
Ano ba ikaw na?
Why your lips is blue? No, it's green. No, it's blue. Hey, Kim. Anything about that? It's Christmas Day. Hindi na ako alam beto yun. Alam mo, prito ito yun. Hindi mo
Ako.
Oh, I'm Carmelo's mom. Yeah.
Mm.
Oh! Carmelo! Yeah. Okay, dating parang si Bukos na. You're overstuffing it. Look at that color, look at that color.
Nice back, Elot. Sige pa. Kurba pa, Elot. Nada, scoliosis mo dahil lang mo.
I accidentally used like this like fucked up shampoo. It's not so bad.
How bad? Jerry, you already smell bad and then put that shampoo.
It's not so bad.
Elot. He smells bad lang. Apo, pag rubuatan na kami, agad spring roll ti balay. Ito unay mo ti mama.
Kung madamdaman, ito.
Hi, Orca.
Stop! Malagawak na ba nila na Jerry? Boom! Naghingi nila Jerry kasi hindi na lang Jerry si Tumalo. Di ba?
Naalan niyo. Ano, ito pritong
Wala pa
ka.
Jerry, kung pa na Jerry, bumper lang. Kapit mo kaming pinag-drive na hindi. Kalit lang.
Apo,
Pagpatulong sa kasi ka-drive.
apo, nailukmag yung dati camera. Kinantamang kita ulit. Ulit, Jerry, kita kung ada maskel mo.
Maskel.
Alay ko, di. Tamdaman din. Nagbasit ko. Pagtugtugaw ko lang. Tapos susulin, di mo lang.
Handaan naman istorya.
I-overcrowd mo. Apay ay Okay, wait, okay.
Ayun, sulit na. Ito. Ay, nabi. Oh! Hindi. Wow!
You have to open it like crazy.
Yeah, wait, wait,
Wait, wait, wait.
Oh,
Go, Art.
your friends have toys?
Ano ba da?
Wow, our friends were cooking toothbrush.
What do you think to Mars?
Thank you. Thank you.
Just thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's find another one. Oh, what's this?
Oh, yeah.
Read it.
To lose from running and run. Oh, open it up. You have to face it.
Okay, now just open it. It's written. Yes.
Wow. Oh, what's three then?
No, no, inside.
Wow!
Wow. Oh, right. This is
What?
oh, this is my
open this big gift? Yeah! Oh my god! Okay, face that way, face that way.
Okay, I'll stop.
Okay. Read it.
To grandma. Okay. Open like crazy.
Come on, read it.
It's a big guitar.
Oh my god.
It's a big guitar. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, it's your wishes.
Wow,
Yeah,
becoming a rock star someday.
Wow, guitar.
Woo! Let's open the next gift.
What do you say to Grandma?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Grandma.
I love you, Rosana.
What's my husband?
Wow. Let's do the next.
Wait, wait.
This one. How about this one?
How about this one?
How about this one? From mommy and daddy. Ito nasa mo. Okay, just leave it.
Did the chicken inside? Like chicken.
Wow! Fried chicken!
My father's great sticky egg.
Oh,
What do you say to mommy?
Please and thank you.
Just say thank you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Tigibang, tigibang.
About me.
Yeah, Mom. Okay.
Tigibang. How much more is it? I want to get mine.
The color belt.
Oh my God.
Daddy, study, go. Let's do the next gift.
Here, read it, that's slow. Luis, there. This one, let it slow. Read it.
From Louis
To Luis.
From?
Susan.
to
Susie.
Susie.
Okay, open it.
Diyan mo na tigibang.
Oh, I gotta use the paper.
Can you say thank you, Susie? Say thank you, Susie.
Thank you, Susie.
Say.
Woo! What do you get? This is wow! Wow! This cookie tasty recipe.
Oh my God, you gotta brush it.
Yeah.
What's inside?
Kids cooking.
Sino siya
May
inside?
mama.
Kenny.
Anak kayo, bago?
Kids cooking.
Anak kayo?
Super class.
DJ lang takto lang? DJ lang takto lang yan?
Recipe.
Oh, hindi kita kaya.
Sit. Time to open the big one. This one.
What? Wow! Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Read it first.
To Louis from chair.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wow!
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Pass me nga yun.
Cool.
Okay, nakita
Oh my god.
Tingnan
This
natin.
is so cool.
Oh, super.
Wow.
Wow.
You have to show the video. You have to show the video.
Like mine.
Look guys. Look guys.
What is that?
I got hot meat.
Oh my
The
God.
volcano rescue squad. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ah, say after that, Griff.
7,
Yeah.
8, 9, 10 cards to rescue.
Oh my God.
There's 10 cards to rescue. Dad, there's 10 cards to
Ah, dapat
rescue.
ikaw,
Wow, this is an awesome toy. This is the volcano rescue squad track set. 4 sets in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Dapat video it.
I got my Hot Wheels city. This is the one.
Oh, there's two seats from sister.
We'll give it from sister.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, let's open it.
Okay, come on.
Anak kayo mo. Hindi ko pagpili sa pero no.
Wow! This is the first LOL
Wow.
Oh my god! This is the first two. This I got a surprise ball. I got LL surprise ball. This is series 1. Oh,
Wow, series 1.
oh, there's a
Okay, next opening.
Say bye guys, that's for my opening surprise.
my opening surprise.
Anak ko ng kamama. Big nga pa lang. Hmm.
Haan, tadi jadi ginatang takut tatak nagut sama.
Ano tini naman niya?
Kasi jadi, kasi nabalbalon. Kasi jadi bigla. Kung sinimala na kaya, binugot ko na.
Ano ma? Di ba tinutsa ba na alas 12? Ito siya nga makaraman na po. Hanggang makaraman. Oo.
Jangan listo tayo ka television. Ang dardaran ng lagwapi ng sikalan na wati.
Ano ba?
Ang dardaran ng tanto kami ng guru-guru. Sikalan na Napang listo tayo ka dami na linuto mo.
Alas 12.
Alas 12.
Wala, yung Pinas ko na may ore mo alas 12.
Why? Sit there. Why do you want to sit there?
So malagayaw nga. Agurok pa hindi ba ako?
Gusto maturugan, dami ng malamot na natan. Nagsugda pa yung pulutan eh.
I need to charge my phone. No.
Ay, to charge mo.
I need to
Charger. You need a charger po.